Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to earn well token. So it's pretty simple, and in this video I'm going to be explaining to you the well3 token or well3.com. So well3 is a game project that has been seeking to reward players with experience points for completing simple tasks. So from what I've learned right here, it's how to get the tokens. Basically, here in their website you'll have to log in with your X account. Next, you will have to have a referral code. So you enter your referral code. These are some referral codes right here. And then you're gonna have to enter it. And then you're gonna have to join the team that you have entered. So from there, you will be able to complete missions basically and earn XP. And the breath session means literally waiting and breathing. And for this, you will earn 1,000 XP, which is particularly weird. And then you'll get basically a well3 NFT free mint if you get NFTs basically, not really the token necessarily. And once you've completed the task, there's gonna be a verification in an hour, and then here at least you finish 2 3 missions, and then you're gonna rank up basically, and you're gonna get more XP. And basically you're not getting tokens with the well 3. There's no tokens that you can actually get. There's no airdrop, but basically you get NFTs, which are essentially the token itself. And then when you head on to CoinGecko, it's already launched pretty quite well on July 4th, and it looks like it's already bottoming out right here. It has a really all-time low price already. So we're just about 20% up from the all-time low, and all-time high was around June 11th only after a couple of days from the launch. So you can buy the tokens right here stated. You can get it in BitGet, Bybit, and Mexi with those centralized exchanges. But basically, you're not gonna get tokens for free, but NFTs only. So there you go, guys. That is how you the earn well token. You get NFTs basically, not really a token. So there you go.